Precision Dispense Ultra by Whirlpool eliminates the guesswork by automatically dispensing the right amount of detergent for outstanding cleaning performance. The Precision Dispense cartridge holds enough detergent for 10 to 18 loads of laundry and measures the right amount of detergent based on load size and cycle selections. The Precision Dispense Ultra option is convenient and easy to use. To fill the cartridge, simply lift it out of the drawer and open the small door on top. Fill to the max fill line with liquid HE detergent. Place the full dispenser cartridge back in the dispensing drawer. Press the Precision Dispense button. Set the HE detergent concentration to match what is printed on the bottle. The factory default is 2 times or 2x concentration. Adjust the water hardness levels if different than the default setting of normal. Add your load and select the cycle and options. After the cycle begins, Precision Dispense will dose the right amount of detergent using the sensed load size and cycle selection. Large or heavily soiled loads will use more detergent, and smaller, lightly soiled loads will use less. Now that you understand how Precision Dispense Ultra works, the following are some helpful hints. The LCD screen will indicate when the cartridge is empty, or you can visually inspect the cartridge, or press the Precision Dispense button and view the status on the display. The cartridge is easily removed for cleaning or when washing a single load using an alternate detergent. If you wish to use powder, remove the cartridge and add 1 dose of powder directly to the drawer's detergent compartment. Higher concentrations of liquid HE detergent will require less frequent filling and provide more washes per full cartridge. And it's important to adjust the water hardness level because it can affect cleaning results. Soft water may cause excess suds, and hard water may cause too little detergent to be dispensed. The factory default is normal, but the control allows for adjustment. Eliminate the guesswork and achieve outstanding cleaning performance by automatically dispensing the right amount of detergent every time with Precision Dispense Ultra by Whirlpool.